Ready? Yes! Okay, question number 1. Your client. Describe yourself. Go. Well, female entrepreneur, age 25 to 54. I've started my business when I was 30, but I believe there are a lot of women who start earlier. Great. Where do they live? They could live anywhere in the world. Eventually, yes, but in the beginning, you need to focus. What's your first market? United States? Okay. Are they in any particular type of business? No, they can be in any type of business. What unites them all is that all these women are working hard. All these women are workaholics, exactly as I am. And all these women would love to learn accepting and loving themselves exactly the way they are. They all love humor, have mostly a positive mindset, and prefer action to complaining. They hate losing their time on complaining and confrontation and love learning new things. Great job. You're ready for the question number 2. Cool. Follow my journey where I'm launching my own fashion brand while life is happening to me. Give me a heart and make this cross go away.